welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super stoked to review these products I just got my hands on. As you guys know that I love reviewing products with you all, but today I have something really special because I've been wanting to try this since a long time because of my dry hair and the products I got my hands on.
L'Oreal Professional CD Expert Range.
For my hair, well, as you guys know that I've been having this issue of dry hair since very long, so I just got my hands on their amazing range. This one is amazing because it has gold quinoa and wheat protein. So as you know that quinoa has a lot of protein in it, and wheat protein is just amazing. So this is the shampoo here, as you can see. Expert mask. This has gold quinoa and protein, really good for your hair. And this is the serum. It's actually the gold standard of hair care, and I'm really excited to try this. This gold quinoa and protein range has advanced emulsion formula which leaves you a homogeneous effect on your hair and gives it deep conditioning. So I'm going to just try it and show you the results thereafter. Okay guys, so this amazing range here has, as I told you, gold quinoa and wheat protein. Also, this has especially this mask has a very butter sort of a texture which leaves your hair really smooth and silky and gives you up to 13 times resistance. So isn't that great? I'm really looking forward to it because my hair is really acting weird these days. As you can see, it's really dry. So I'm going to just shampoo my hair now, and then we'll start putting the mask together. This amazing mask is really good. It only cost 820 rupees and it is available on Flipkart. You can just order it. I'm going to put all the links in my description so that you can buy this. So first of all, before that, let's just go ahead and do the treatment on. Okay, so I'm back now. I have washed my hair with gold quinoa and protein shampoo, and now I'm going to put this amazing hair mask here which is infused with butter and gold quinoa and wheat, as I mentioned before, wheat protein. So this one here is so nice that it leaves your hair really damage free and also soft. So let's just put the mask now. I'm going to put it with you guys. I'm going to show you the texture first of all. Wow, this smells amazing. Can you just see? Okay, so this is how the texture looks. And I'm going to just put it in my hair. We'll just wash the hair and see the results thereafter. See, I'm just putting it. Make sure to put it till end of your hair. Okay, the other side as well. Put it nicely in your hair so that the whole hair is covered. Okay, so I'm done putting the product in my hair, the mask in my hair. So I'm gonna keep it for like 5-10 minutes and then I'll wash my hair and show you the results. I'm done with washing my hair now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this gold quinoa and wheat protein serum in my hair before I start to dry them. Okay, I'm gonna lick it. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna just dry my hair and show you the results. I'm super excited. I already feel that my hair is much better and softer. Okay guys, I'm back, and oh my god, can you see the shine on my hair? I mean, it's commendable. I feel so good right now. I actually feel that my hair is really healthy right now, and okay, hair is coming on my face. It's so healthy, soft, and I feel that it is not damaged at all right now. I feel it's very soft, very nice. My hair was damaged and dry. I don't feel that anymore, and I'm super happy because I've tried so many products which don't give me instant protein and instant shine and instant nourishment. This one did, and I'm super happy. You can see that. Okay, so my final words. I am really happy with this amazing mask, plus the shampoo and the serum. L'Oreal Professional CD Expert range, thank you so much for getting out this amazing gold quinoa and wheat proteins mask, shampoo, serum, this amazing range for people like me who really had dry hair, and I'm so thankful. I really feel the nourishment right now. Now I can go anywhere I want, like, you know, in a jiffy. I don't have to think twice before leaving the house because I always used to have a bad hair day. Now within like 10 minutes, it's amazing. I mean, you can just get ready at home. You don't need to go to a salon, and if you're going to a salon, try this series range with Power Mix. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends. Try this product, comment in the comment section below what kind of content you want me to create, and I'm gonna see you next time.